name's Deborah and welcome to my kitchen on the beautiful Coromandel Peninsula in New Zealand. Today I'm going to be cooking apple and parsnip soup for you, which is my son's favourite recipe from my new cookbook, Coastal. So the first thing I've done is wash my parsnips, and now I'm just going to take a few peelings, and these I'm going to use at the end just for a bit of decoration, but it's really optional whether you do this or not. Once I've got a couple of peelings, I'm just going to roughly chop the parsnip, the onion and the apple. I don't actually need to peel the rest of the parsnip or the rest of the apple. There's lots of goodness just under the skin, so it's really good to leave it in place. So the first thing we're going to do is just put the onion into the pan with a little bit of oil and sweat it off. There we go. Let's add some oil. My onion has been sweating now for about 5 minutes. It's just starting to go a little bit see-through, so I know it's done. And now I'm going to add the parsnip and the apple. So I'm going to cook that for about 5 minutes, then I'm going to add my stock and my herbs, and then just cook it up for about half an hour or so. The soup's been cooking a while now, so I'm just going to check it's done. And the way to do that is to dig out a bit of parsnip. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's beautifully done. So now we can blend it. I'm going to blend my soup now. I'm using this stick blender, but if you don't have one, you could just use a potato masher or something. So this is the best bit. The soup's ready and now it's time to taste it. Oh yes, that's really good. It needs a little bit of salt and pepper, particularly a little bit of salt actually, but apart from that it's ready. To make the little parsnip crisps, just take the parsnip peelings that we started at the beginning with and just shallow fry them till they're golden brown.